Nonetheless, I'm excited to talk about Nomzamo Mbatha. Nomzamo Mbatha, global beauty icon, award-winning actress and celebrated humanitarian, has been officially named the first ever South African ambassador of Creme of Nature, the iconic American-born ethnic hair care brand with over 65 years of legacy. Known for its dedication to textured hair and roots in celebrating African beauty, Creme of Nature has now launched in South Africa with its landmark campaign rooted in radiance. Now, Creme of Nature's expansion into South African market marks a powerful new chapter for the beloved brand. It is now available at Clicks, Discam, Takealot, Amazon, and will launch in Checkers in July 2025.